Hello, in this video I'll try my best to explain some of the basic features on PIXLR. PIXLR is a website, allows you to edit and design photos right in your browser, on your phone or desktop for free. How about designing and modifying an image like this, so that we understand the functionality of the tools available? First, I should clarify that this is a fake image which was published on social media and many shared it as a real one. By the end of this video, you will be aware of the capabilities of such photo editing tool and be able to distinguish the original or the modified content. A great website that I would recommend is PIXLR.com. It has tons of images available with transparent background. You can download it to your device for free. I downloaded for this session a famous news TV channel logo. I also downloaded a picture for the Russian leader Putin, but with opaque background. For this, I have to detach the background on my own. Remove the background from any image in almost one step. This is available on PIXLR.com/remove background. Upload the image by clicking on the plus sign icon. Choose the file from your browser and click on open. Here you go. Now click on save to download this new image into your drive as a PNG format. Now we gathered all elements needed, we would log into PIXLR.com/e to start editing. Click on Open Image and choose the main image that would act as the background in your design. The image layer would be locked once added. In order to apply any edits on, you should first unlock it by clicking once on the lock. You can always lock back by clicking on the secondary click and check Unlocked. Add more layers and elements by clicking on the small plus icon in the bottom of the Layers tab. Choose Image to add the Russian leader Putin image. I may need to zoom out for more control on the image scale and position. Command +- to zoom out or Command ++ to zoom in. As you can see from the corners, I can adjust the scale, and I can move it around by clicking on the image and drag. Here I would set it accordingly to the size of the other people in the background to look more realistic. In order to the new layer fuse with the background, and many people do not notice what I did to alter reality, there are some deleting and cutting that I have to do first. This is a tricky step, and I should work smartly as possible. First, I'll share a tip that would definitely help. Right-click on the foreground layer. Reduce the opacity to see clearly which places you need to delete from this layer. Keep the selection on the foreground layer. Choose from the Tools tab on the left the lasso select. There are 4 types of selection. I prefer polygon on this case. Raise the feather a bit. The feather is a way to soften the hard edges of a selection by gradually fading between the colors of the pixels on the edge and the ones surrounding it. Softly move the mouse pointer around the part you want to select, while clicking at the point where you need to work. Press on Escape if you need to remove any of these points you made. At the end, get the endpoint closer from the beginning and double-click to complete the selection. Press on Command +D to deselect if you are not satisfied with your selection, and give it another try. You can now press the Erase button on the keyboard to remove the selection. To add a shape as an element of our design, click on the Shape tool from the Tools bar on the left. Choose the Fill Color, Type, and Style. Click and drag to draw it. To complete the lower third graphic design, add the News Channel logo. Add it as a new image layer. Place it where it fits properly and adjust its size. Finalize what some call it Chiron by adding the news caption, something like "Scenes of Putin during the G20 summit." To do so, choose the text tool from the left, click anywhere on the image, set the font, color fill, size, format, and styles. If you are happy with the outcome of your edits, now is the time to export. Choose File from the top menu, then Save As. Save as JPEG or PNG. Make sure to save it in the highest quality. Thank you for watching. This was Mohammed Badawi.